Wednesday, July 16th, and Dad has just finished the first coat of blue paint on the 1952 wide gauge, and it looks shiny, shiny, shiny. Finally got the humidity level that he needed, which was below 60, and I think it was 42% humidity today, so he could paint. So that's the first thing he was able to do this morning, was get out here and feed the kids and make sure everybody's gotten fed. And then he started with this. I don't think he had too many visitors today, otherwise this wouldn't have been completed. But it looks good all around here so far. And even up top here, looks like he's done a pretty good job. Got no complaints. All the edges all around, everything's looking good. So he's got the doors, the first coat there, and that would be the escape hatch. These are the side doors. That's the rear sliding door that goes over the rad there. So you'll have to flip those tomorrow and get them on the other side. And yeah, like I said, been doing this all day. So first coat of paint is on the 1952, and he's really eager to get rid of this machine and out of the shop because we got that one to do and that one to do, and then he still has airboats as well, and this is one of them, waiting on parts on that one. But yeah, he mentioned to me last night he really wants to get that 52 out because, oh, and look, the old dog actually is walking around. Hi, Charlie. How are you? Been underneath the horse trailer for 4 days. He just doesn't want to come out. Barely walks around anymore. Anyways, but the little Nina Pinta Santa Maria, she checks out on her Charlie. So yeah, Dad wants to get out at this 74 Muskeg tractor. Emily's going to go join Charlie to make sure that he doesn't go wandering off. And yeah, we got to get at this here because we want to get this completed. This is not ours. This is the customer's. We want to sell this one or fix it up, sell it, get it out the door so somebody can use it this winter. Airboats are just going to keep on coming in all summer long and all fall. And so Dad's busy. It's a good temp today because he can do that painting. It's not too hot. And we got a bunch of other equipment we're fixing up and selling around here. Anybody wants a old school bus that was made into a camper trailer, you can buy that off us for a couple of grand, maybe $3,000 if you want it. It did run. It'd probably just need a new battery to get going. There's a bunch of other stuff we're trying to get rid of around here too. But yeah, Dad would have had this fan on all day, and so he is doing his bit here to get this done. And like I said, he's really excited to see if he can get this done. It's probably one more good day with the paint on this, and then we'll be done, and then he can just put the lights back on and put the escape hatch back on and clean the inside, and then fire it up and customer can come pick it up. So hopefully in a couple of days this is gone. But that's Dad's update here. Painting isn't too exciting, so this is what you guys get for a video today.